Your store credit emails help customers stay updated about the credits they've earned and remind them to use them, keeping engagement and repeat purchases strong. Let's walk through how to set them up in goLoyalty. Like and subscribe to keep up with what's new at Epic Shops. From your rewards page, go to the Emails section, then select Store Credit Emails. You'll first land on the Settings tab. Here, you can customize your email header background color. By default, it's white, but you can click the color picker to match it with your brand's palette. Next, open the Monthly Email tab. This email is sent once a month, but only to customers who actually have store credit. It's a gentle reminder that encourages them to return and redeem what they've earned. You can preview the email, edit the subject line and pre-header text, the short snippet that appears beside your subject in inboxes, and personalize the message using merge tags for dynamic content, such as the customer's name or credit balance. At the bottom, choose how often this email should be sent, either once a month or never. You can also send yourself a test email to see how it looks before finalizing. Now, let's move to the order confirmation email. This one is sent automatically after each purchase to let customers know they've earned store credit from their order. Just like the previous one, you can preview the email, edit the subject, pre-header, and message. Choose the frequency, whether it's 24 hours after each order or never, and of course, send a test email to review the final look. Once you're happy with your setup, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. And that's it! Your store credit emails are ready to go. Whenever you need support, just click the Get Help button at the top right. Epic is always here to help you.